Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by placing the navigation inside a top frame so Figma recognizes its bounds. Set the frame width to your target breakpoint and add a nav group with logo, links, and optional hamburger icon. Once placed, convert that group to auto layout to keep spacing consistent as items resize. Make sure items are aligned and padding is explicit. This helps when you later pin or constrain the bar. Now that the nav is structured, you're ready to prepare the stick behavior. Next, pin the navigation by using constraints and componentization. With the nav frame selected, set vertical constraint to top and horizontal to stretch so it stays full width on resize. Once done, consider making it a component. That lets you manage variants like compact or elevated states. If you need a shadow or height change on scroll, create a variant for the sticky state. Exporting or publishing, the component ensures consistent use across pages and simplifies implementation in prototypes or handoff. Finally, switch to prototype mode and wire the interaction. Choose the source frame and link to the next or same frame with a scroll interaction. Enable fixed position when scrolling on the nav frame so it remains visible while content moves. Once set, play the prototype and test across viewports. Make sure the nav z-index keeps it above content and that any shadow or elevation reads clearly. If the bar flickers or disappears, toggle auto layout or simplify nested groups as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.